The preclinical science lab designed to that understand every part of human body because they heal others. They must understand how human body works. The fundamental of nursing lab designed to learn with basic skill and advance.
Whether in cities or villages, we train them to deliver care beyond the hospital walls.
I believe in nurturing compassionate professionals with character, care, and competence.
We apply new skills from labs to new learning. Healing begins not just with the medicine but with presence and heart.
At ITM Medical Hospital, we don't just learn procedure, we learn how to treat individuals with dignity.
Our teachers mentor us, building not just in skills but also confidence and mindset.